Introduced in October 1950, the Grumman AF Guardian was the first anti-submarine warfare aircraft for the United States Navy. Guardian had a relatively short operational service life with USN before being retired in 1955, and was not exported. Total production was 389 pieces. The AF Guardian series included two airframe variants to undertake two related battlefield roles, one to serve in the hunter role, and the other to serve in the killer attack role. Initial work began in 1944 at the outbreak of war. A new aircraft project was born in response to a request from the US Navy for a large, well-armed aircraft, utilizing the usual carrier qualities and able to carry a bomb load of 3,600 pounds, and a minimum range of 3,700 miles. However, this was considered impractical. Grumman offered an alternative, the SPEF-1. This was designed as mixed-power aircraft, with a Pratt & Whitney double Wasp radial engine in the nose, and a Westinghouse 19XP turbojet in the tail. The design was later revised, with the jet engine removed, as the hybrid design was deemed unsuitable. The fuselage arrangement was such that the crew of two would be seated under a canopy in a side-by-side format, sharing the workload of the aircraft. Its estimated war load was around 4,000 pounds, with standard armament being two 20mm cannons in the wings. An internal bomb bay could house anything from torpedoes to conventional drop bombs and depth charges. On the 24th of December 1945, the Navy changed the role of the aircraft from torpedo bomber to anti-submarine warfare. All the required equipment could not be fitted into a single aircraft, consequently two variants would be produced, one as a guppy, and another as a scrapper. The Hunter aircraft would not carry any armament, but instead two additional crew members and a ventral radome for an APS-20 search radar and electronic countermeasures, consisting of an APRA 98 countermeasures receiver and an AP-70 bearing indicator. The killer deleted the cannon of the torpedo bomber, but retained the bomb bay, added a third crew member, a searchlight, and short-range radar. The Guardian saw combat service during the Korean War, where it was used in the maritime patrol role. The large aircraft was soon found to be clunky performers lacking the necessary power for the carrier role. This, and an abnormally high accident rate, did not endear the type to its pilots and crew, and led to the series' short service life with the USN. Final forms were retired in August of 1955, with its replacement becoming the Grumman S2F tracker line. Some Guardians remained in reserve until 1957, while others managed extended aerial lives as firefighting platforms into the 1970s.